Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to start affiliate marketing? Let's break it down together. Affiliate marketing sounds fancy, but it's super simple. Picture this. You recommend products you love, and when people buy them, you get paid. Easy, right? Two of the biggest players in this game? Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Amazon Associates is perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media stars. You link to any product on Amazon, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Plus, Amazon's got millions of products to choose from, so there's something for everyone. Then there's ClickBank. It's like a giant marketplace where you can find products to promote. They've got everything from health supplements to digital courses. Pick products with great reviews and high conversion rates to boost your earnings. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is about trust. Share honest reviews and useful content that your audience loves. Build your presence, be authentic, and watch those commissions roll in. So, are you ready to start making money with affiliate marketing? Hit that follow button for more tips and tricks. Let's make 2024 your year of earning.